Assalamualaikum. Uronyo hana merno bahagia uronyo. Kalau berjanji dengan ngarane murid, uronyo field trip menyenai ke. Field trip, study tour ya. Study tour tinggal berarti kamu nak paju makan cokro sama-sama. Alennya nejak bak library. Bak perpustakaan terbesar di North America, di Vancouver. Okay guys, tomorrow we're gonna go have a lunch together, right? We go have a lunch together tomorrow, and also we have a field trip tomorrow. Okay? Field trip tomorrow. Yeah, we're gonna have a field trip tomorrow.
What does it mean?
Field trip. We're gonna go to the library tomorrow.
Okay.
Yeah. To see a lot of stuff, and then I'm gonna buy you guys lunch tomorrow.
Yes.
What time we go tomorrow for lunch?
11.
Okay. Tinggal po tinda kamu menenja field trip sambilan paju cokro sama-sama. Okay. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, uronyo field trip, uronyo ngan student field trip. Lenja pak library. Yeah, student Aceh language student. We go field trip today. Aceh student. Okay. Yeah, Mr. Samsunti.
Assalamualaikum.
Mr. John.
Assalamualaikum.
Waalaikumsalam.
We have a beautiful view.
Yeah, we have a beautiful view.
I can smell the weather.
Yeah, it's very good. It's very good weather today. Yeah, today we're having lunch together. Are you guys hungry? Are you guys hungry? Can you move a mask? Mask, move mask. Yeah, now I can see you. Okay, and then students, stop. Students, let's stop. Today we're gonna go eat lunch together. We go eat lunch together, and then we're gonna go to library. Terdapat perpustakaan. Studi tour Royo. Apa kadruk makan? Tak makan. Okay, student tak perlu makanan jauh Royo. Go Roland. Order whatever you like. Student. Hey John. Let's find one long table. Oh, here in the back. Hey, okay, here. Sit here, okay? Sit here. Mr. John tengah order makan, Mr. John, Mr. Samsunti, and Mr. Igor. Ronyo pun menyai ikun field trip. Menyani ikula damai ulua yang main. Dia main. Menyai ikun pun studi tour, student tour, murid tour.
Uronyo
Big lunch. Uronyo big lunch. Over there we talk about murid. Kau temate ni murid pray makan.
Thank you, I appreciate that.
No problem.
Have a good support.
Okay. Uronyo ante uronyo. Igor. Thank you for coming, Igor. Apa good? John, apa John?
Yeah,
Good. Apa good. Dengan pray makan. Nah, uronyo. Say something uronyo. Field trip.
Sa, dua,
lima. Sa 2.5. Puna nak kena punya ane gulai me
Study tour. Study tour.
Oh, oronyo study tour. Ada gula berarti study tour. Macam mata. What is it, John? Mata. Dua tu John. John 5 makanan tu baru je apa perpustakaan.
I know I remember something. Ego.
Ego. Oh. Ya. Okey. Makan. Okey.
Here you are.
Okey. Lagi. Yo katru apa pesan kota jadi kamu rencana menerja dalam library perpustakaan. Bang. Let's go.
Yeah.
Oh, Jan, you know.
You sleep 2 times, but you have three for now. 3. First one, and then the second one is the third one. Like this. Yeah, you need to. If you have faith,
Perpustakaan. Tak fair ada murid bahasa Aceh lah.
okay, look. Yeah, just focus on that tree. Just focus on that tree, yeah.
Let's go. Oke anak-anak. Library. Nice ya, John, nice Nyo library paling raya di North America. This is a big library. Nyong ko yung study tour.
You always grab the book from that, yeah?
Yeah, when I came here like 18 years ago. Nampak sudah. Okey, nyong kena tamu dalam, teman hanjit kami dalam. Jadi dia behind no mentang. Kadang nak kamus-kamus, kadang kamus-kamus Aceh, kadang sejarah-sejarah Aceh, kadang naik dalam. Dan okey, menyamanan kaji. Assalamualaikum.